In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert draw.io in Google Docs. To get started, make sure your diagram is already open inside the Draw.io editor. From there, go to the menu bar at the top of the screen and click File. In the drop-down menu, hover over Export As. You'll now see a few format options you can choose from, including PNG, JPEG, and SVG. Choose the format that works best for your needs. In most cases, PNG is a great choice because it keeps your diagram clear and easy to read inside a document. If you want a lightweight image file, JPEG may work, and if you prefer a scalable format, SVG can be useful. Once you select a format, an export dialog box will appear. In this window, you can adjust settings such as the zoom and the image size. This is important because it affects how large and how sharp your diagram will look once you place it into Google Docs. You may also see an option for a transparent background. If that suits the look you want in your document, go ahead and check that box. After reviewing the settings and making any needed adjustments, click Export. A second dialog box will appear so you can confirm the file name and choose where to save the exported diagram. Save it to your device so it's easy to find in the next step. Once that's done, click Save. Now switch over to your Google Docs file. With your document open, go to the top menu and click Insert. Then hover over Image and choose Upload from Computer. This will open your computer's file browser. From here, locate the diagram file you just exported from Draw.io. Select it, then click Insert, or simply press Enter on your keyboard. Google Docs will upload the image and place it directly into your document. At this point, your Draw.io diagram is now inserted into Google Docs. If needed, you can click on the image in the document to reposition it or resize it so it fits better with your layout. A quick tip here is to export at a slightly larger size if you want the diagram to stay sharp when resized later. And that's all there is to it. Export the diagram from Draw.io, save it to your device, then upload it into Google Docs as an image. It's a simple process, and once you've done it once, it becomes very quick to repeat whenever you need to add diagrams to your documents.